follow you.
Alright guys, this is Madam Peku from Mercy Divine Properties Limited, and this is one of our executive clients. There is a reason why I call executive clients, so you don't understand. Now we understand. Now the Oga boss of the Oga boss is 9 days here, so he's no other person but Sir Kendan. So we just came to see one of our properties, about 20 plots here in New Banana Highland. Sir Dan is interested. So I just want to ask you, do you love what you saw?
Yeah, this place is underneath face of Port-Harcourt now.
Yeah,
it's underneath face of Port-Harcourt.
Okay. So you like it?
I love the place.
That's
Not
good.
like I love the place.
Wow, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
All right, don't forget to call Madam Peku on 09034296519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island here in Port-Harcourt. This is located just off Odili Road. Okay? All right, call me and I'm waiting for you. All right, guys, we just came back from inspection. It wasn't easy, yo. How you doing? Alright. See, we just came back from inspection. We are heading into the office right now. Alright. Yes, so we need to go into the office and close the deal. Okay? Alright, don't forget to call Madam Peku on 09034296519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. It's located off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, Nigeria, River State. Okay, these are office premises. Locate us in the office or call me on this number on the screen. Alright, bye.